troubleshooting for remotes. The most common cause of remotes not working is of course dead batteries. Your first step then should be to test these with a fresh set of batteries. If the remote works fine, that is, the indicator light is coming on, but the unit it operates fails to engage, first consider the power source to that item. If that fails to rectify the issue, you can then rule out any electrical issues. As with any electrical appliance, check the circuit controlling the item in the circuit board and make sure that's working properly. If these do not rectify the problem, then it may be that you need a specialist to look at this item.